What's up guys, Reggie P here. Would you like to earn an extra $20 simply by suggesting names? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $20 over and over again simply by suggesting names using this one website. Now, if you're new to my channel, I make videos that help entrepreneurs make money on the internet, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And sometimes I give away free money. So, please subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about today. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped on my channel. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to my computer and show you the website that you can start making $20 simply by suggesting names. So let's go.
At this website is called pickiesdomain.com. And this is the website you're going to be using to make the $20 over and over again. All right. As it says here, it says Picky Domains is the world's first renaming service. This means you can come up with cool domain name or slogan for you as little as $50. For you for as little as $50, and you pay us. So they're talking about the client, and you only get paid for the work that you pay them for the work that you like. Then now if you want to work for them, you can also get paid for suggesting website names and slogans to their clients. So here's at the bottom, you can see their clients: Motion Splash, Dish University, Smart Define. So that's a few of the companies that they work with. All right, let's go here at the top and click on this. All right, make money with us. You got contributors, affiliate program, bloggers get paid. And we're going to read about the contributor because that's what you're going to be. So let's see, it says here, if you have a knack for coming up with cool, unusual, and memorable names, domains, or slogans, here's your chance to turn your talent into cash. It's simple. Register as a contributor is free. Select orders you want to work on and submit suggestions. If your name, domain, or slogan is picked, you'll get 40 to 60% of the order value. The average is around $25 to $75, depending on your rank and order type. And if none of the suggestions are picked, you still will get paid up to 25 cents for each suggestion that was liked by a client, even if it was not chosen. The money will be sent to your PayPal account, so it's important that you have one and can be easily, because it's, let's see what it says. So you can get it easily. Sorry about that. They said important if you live in a country where you can receive PayPal payments, they won't be able to send you your commission. So basically you need to be able to use PayPal in your country. So if you want to learn more about this, go to pickydomains.com. Can't think of any domain names or slogans, you can come here to nameish.com and this site will generate 6 million plus words net, 20 plus generators. So all it does is generate different names that you can come up with for domain, that they come up with for domain names or slogans. So just come here, check this out, and start generating your names.
So go ahead and go to pickydomains.com, sign up there, start suggesting names, and start getting $20 over and over again. Now, if you can't think of any names, go ahead and go to that other website, which is called namesmash.com. Let it suggest names for you, and then you submit those names to pickydomains.com. Now, that's all I have for today. So let me go ahead and tell you about the free money that I'm giving away. Now, as you can see at the bottom of this screen, you see that I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, and I'll need you guys' help. And what I'm going to do is give away free money every time I hit a milestone on my way to 1,000 subscribers. So my next milestone is 300 subscribers, because I currently have 220. So once I hit that 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person $20 gift card or $20 cold hard cash. So I'm just going to pick that person's comment in this video and any other videos after this leading up to 300 subscribers. I'm just going to randomly pick it, and that person is going to win. So help me get to 300 subscribers so I can give away this free money. Alright, that's all I have for today. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like what I'm talking about today. Drop a comment below. Share this with your friends and family. Share this on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped on my channel, because I drop videos like this on a daily basis. Alright, that's it, y'all. I'm finished. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can just watch this video right here that will show you how to make money on YouTube without recording any videos. So go check that out right now. Alright, that's all I have for today. Peace, and get your grind on, because the grind is real.